side. Hello guys. Guys, it is an emergency video right now, and everything is flowing. Guys, we are experiencing a lot of rainfall here in the country right now. Look at what is happening, guys. Look. This one is so crazy, I'm telling you. You see, it's a chicken here. Right now in Kenya is messy. You see what's happening? This is inside the house. Inside the house, you can see. Hey, guys. Look what is happening. Look, the chicken is even afraid. I want to see where I'll put it. Look, this is not the first time it's flooding inside here. It's actually one of the most days that it has been raining here crazy. You see, it's entering from this point, coming into the house. So what I'm trying to do, guys, is to block this particular thing. But I don't know how. The most painful or stressful thing is to get out the water. That one is so stressful. Let me show you outside here how everything is. Oh my. So I have to put on my slippers. Look, this is our compound. Look, this is where water comes from. This point entering into the it's raining already. It's even right now raining. Look guys, this is how it flows. You see, this is a pool of water. This one, you see, this is a lake of water. So I want to try as much as possible to take this water out and see where it will go, because it's so chaotic right now. Oh my god, I don't know, it's so chaotic. This water has been, you see, it's entering from this point here into the house. So I want to slash it out or to clear it out. My phone is full of water, guys. Hey, I don't know, it's blinking. So guys, you remember the other time it was flooding here like crazy. This okay, that video was 2 days ago. The beginning of the video where you see there is flooding. This room was over flooded. So today we have tried to do some raising of this place so that the water cannot enter inside. It just we are trying to make sure we control it. It doesn't enter inside. Simba, how are you? Simba. My dog, very nice dog, and calm. Simba. So today what I'm doing, I'm digging here a place where, so I'm trying to levelize this interior side. I'm trying to do some backfilling. I want to backfill this place before we do a concrete on top of it so that we control the floods. Hey, this room has been flooding a lot. And on the other side, you see this away. The roads is very damaged. You see, it's very straight. So there's a way we are doing here. You see this road? It's very damaged at the moment, very damaged. But we'll do what we call later. We'll put the maram on the other side, and we'll be able to fix that place. Right now, this is the work I'm doing here. I want to check this to backfill in this place inside here. Let me show you inside here. I want to backfill this place so that we can levelize to control the water, so that the water cannot reach this level. In other times we want to raise this place, and then it lands that way. So that's what we are going to do at this particular moment. So let me do some carrying of the. So this soil is known as loam soil. See, it's loam soil. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do. So what I'm trying to do is to backfill that. So I don't have a wheelbarrow. And that's why you see we are doing that kind of carrying using this bucket. So that's what I'm using at the moment. Yeah, and everything is okay. So I'm going to do a lot of trips because I don't have the wheelbarrow, but no problem. The work has to be done. Okay, so I'm going to do several trips until we backfill this area completely. So that's the work of the day. Keep on watching, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Yeah, that's how we do it here. Which one, right? Oh. Oh. No, don't throw. Come with it. Another one. You can find out. The only one. Oh, okay. This one is for tomorrow. Next week. When I climb there, my mugu is tetemekari. Now you have to have a lot of kilograms.
Yes, turembo, tetemeka.
This one is it, the pawpaw. The pawpaw fruit. The pawpaw. We call it in paipai in Swahili. Paipai.
Oh.
Yeah.
Está con el jug.
Kalau nimevaa kamenikaza kabisa kuna
Fika 5 minutes alafu ukate. Sawa. Ama weka 3. Fika 3 kata.
kweli mwanzi.
Ndio jimu sasa.
Unapoedit video. Nakumbuka huyo jamaa hata kidogo amechange. Another kidogo amechange. Inataka hivyo kwa hiyo watu hawezi kuweka.
Si ndio hata hivi weka kidogo. Sasa unajua sasa hiyo aliweza shoot kama 2 hours. Hapa na trim section hivyo. Inatoshea 40 minutes. Ni sabisi. Sabisi kwanza na kupeleka huko na huko. Huwezi pata time ya kuishi.
Unabaki tu umebaki hapa. Mpaka inaisha. Nafikiria siku ingine tuchimbe tangi ingine ya chini. Inawezekana hapa katikati.
Inawezekana gari na vitu tu hapa juu.
Ama tuchimbe. Ndio hapa tuchimbe hapa katikati ni nyundo tangi. Hapa katikati. Kwa inafunikwa. Ili tunafungua.
Chota maji na chota kama hiki sima.
Handman. Oh, tukoje.
Hiyo focus event yako.
Anaenda wapi?
Ila Sudan, South Sudan. JK. Unajua sasa ndio ulikuwa umeenda naye. Exactly. Oh. Skyward.
Nakoda hapo. Na kujiki. Na kamaji.
Upate wa vizazi tu hivi kwa sawa.
Maji siko, maji. Jambo hili linakuanga expensive for.
Hapo kuja. Jambo ni Kenya Airways. Nile
Kwa hiyo tunachukua ni ya yes, how are you? I'm fine. Still in ADC. Yes.
So guys, it was raining like crazy. So guys, look at the door. This is the installation of the door. It looks so amazing. So amazing. So at least we have a door. See, it's looking very beautiful. And we want to put the windows, the two windows from the other end. That's the one that we don't have right now. But for now, we want to fix these holes. You see here? Yes, we want to fix it to be very firm. Yeah, so, and then after that, let me show you here. Here is where we will put the windows. But for now, we haven't bought them. Here, I have one window. What, Gani? Oh, and then the other window here. We have another window here. We'll put it here. So 2 windows. Then you see this, we will remove this one. and then here we'll plant some flowers all over. So guys, tell me what you think about this transformation. Let me know in the comment section. Is it amazing? So that's a posho mill that is having that sound. Posho mill. Let me show you. No water, no more water entering. That's how it is going to be. No more water. And then we have done a drainage whereby when the water flows that way, the other day it used to go that way and then it goes to inside the house. But right now it will be going, we will do a very nice, it has rained. We wanted to make a nice concrete here, but it has rained, so that will be next time. I mean tomorrow. So the water flows up to these pipes here. Those pipes, you see those little pipes here. This is where the water flows. But we want to put this bigger one. This one, you see, it will be like this. So something like this. Something like this. When the water comes, something like that, it will be flowing that way, then outside using this pipe. That's one thing we are trying to do, to reason. So that's how it's going to be. But we have really tried, guys. As you can see, I'm just happy with this door. Look at this door, how it looks like. The door like this, you see. At least it will be looking a little bit nice, very nice. It looks like this too, but this is somehow tall. Wapi hapo? Oh, condition. Oh. Yo. So it's gonna be amazing. So this is the work of the day. But it really rained a lot, you see, and that's, you see, when everything is full. And that's one thing we thank God, because in this area sometimes it's to get water is really stressful. We have this drum here. Yeah, so we thank God. This is a well. This is a well, but it doesn't have water inside. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Today I just wanted to show you construction. We want to finish making this concrete on the other end, and that will be it. So yeah, that's how we do it here. We have our what do you call them? Ducks. I don't know, ducks. Our chicken. Okay. So it's clear now. You cannot say that you cannot tell it has rained some like 2-3 hours ago, you see. Yeah, so that's how we do it. This is my beautiful home, our home. Thank God for everything. Okay. Look at the gate. The gate looks super amazing. Look at the gate. Guys, can you tell me the color that you think we should paint the gate? The color you think we should paint the gate? Tell me in the comment section below. I'll really wish to know. Okay. So until next time, guys, just want to end this video by saying thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the very end. Until next time, have a great morning, have a great afternoon, have a great evening, guys. Ciao, bye bye. See you in the next video.